Real estate investing is amazing, right? Yeah, I'll tell you that. A lot of people will tell you that, but I just got to tell you it's not all sunshine and rainbows, and here's why. It's 5:46 in the morning, a Sunday morning. Every single day this week, I've woken up as early as 3, 4, and 5 regularly. There's only one day I woke up at 6 a.m. Why? Because I've been trying to work on getting a deal. I'm working on this YouTube channel and business. I have a full-time job. I have a relationship. I have friends and family. But guess what? The thing that threw me over the edge was the real estate. I spent 15, 20 hours on the phone over the last 2 weeks, each week. So 20 hours last week, 20 hours the week before, just on real estate alone. No one talks about this extra time commitment when you're trying to get a property, okay? So if you're trying to get your first property and you're gonna expect this to be the easiest thing in the world where you're just literally gonna buy and that's it, it's not true. The entire way through. As soon as you start talking to someone, a lender, a real estate agent, you start looking at properties, you get one under contract, then you got a lawyer, an inspector, a contractor, an agent, a lender, all calling you left and right, left and right. And the thing is every time they call you, they make it feel like that it's an emergency. And it's not their fault. But every time this happens, every time. So I need you guys to be aware of this, that time is going to get sucked out of your life. You're not going to be able to hang out with family and friends anymore regularly, all the time. Because when you do hang out with them, you're going to get a call and you're going to have to step away from dinner with them. Imagine being at dinner after a nice, hard working day and all you want to do is enjoy a drink or relax with your significant other and eat dinner. And then all of a sudden, you get a call. And you get another call. You're like, I got to get up and take this. Okay? That sucks. That sucks you can't fully relax. And I felt like this for a while, but I feel like I had to talk about it because no one else is talking about it. I don't hear any of these big name real estate investors talking about it. All I hear them talk about is that it takes work and time. Yeah, okay, but like highlight what the hell is happening when you are giving up this time. Okay? For me, I've hung out with friends less and less over the last few months. Well, quarantine's part of it, but in a large portion is because I'm spending a lot of time building the business and working on real estate, and that takes up time. No one talks about that. Also, no one talks about how scary it is for you to put your entire life savings into a bucket that just goes away right away as soon as you buy the house. You save up for years. You maybe have $50,000 in the bank. You're so excited to buy this house. You put it in. Guess what? You got no money now. It all goes away. And you feel poor as shit afterwards because you have nothing whatsoever. That's a scary feeling, okay? So real estate investing can be scary. It can take up a lot of your time, but would I still do it again 100%? Yes. And that's why I keep going, because every house that I get, I see more money coming in. I see myself earning freedom long term. What I'm doing is helping me, my family, and everyone around me level up. It's helping me get more time so I can make a bigger impact to people like you on my YouTube channel, to people in my family, to my friends, simply by improving and leveling up.